Ways to prepare frequency distribution. How to get the frequency of each class. The frequency of an observation means how many times that observation occurs in the raw data. But when the data is grouped into classes, the class frequency is done by tally marks. Tally marking. In this method, a tally is put against a class for each object that falls in that class. Thus, frequency in a class is equal to the number of tallies against that class. Loss of information. The frequency distribution summarizes the raw data and helps to make it more concise and comprehensible. There is loss of information. Once the data are grouped into classes, an individual observation has no significance in further statistical calculations. Frequency distribution with unequal classes. If the classes are to be formed in such a way that class marks coincide, as far as possible, to a value around which the observations in a class tend to concentrate, then equal class interval is more appropriate. Frequency array. The classification of for discrete variable is known as a frequency array. Since a discrete variable takes values and not intermediate fractional values between two integral values, we have frequencies that correspond to each of its integral values. Bivariate frequency distribution. It can be defined as a frequency distribution of two variables. Suppose that we collect information on height and weight of customers. In this case, we have bivariate sample data. Such bivariate data can be summarized using a bivariate frequency distribution.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.